Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will delve into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 26th of June, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.95. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 4.88%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.49% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $288.40 be breached, it may initially indicate a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 20.15% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 11.83% and 53.59%. Looking at the longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 20.90%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 4.38% to an increase of 107.7% over the coming year. In current terms, this would estimate the future price to be between $296.30 and $641.64. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price up 4.73% on Thursday. The Tesla stock price gained 4.73% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025. It rose from $295.88 to $309.87. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.48%, with a day low of $300 and a day high of $310.46. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, down by 5.4% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 29 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 104 million shares bought and sold for approximately $32 billion and $70 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $488.54, while the lowest was $182. Currently, the price is 36.57%, or $178.67, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is making significant strides in the autonomous vehicle space by expanding its Robotaxi services to Phoenix, Arizona. This follows a recent pilot test in Austin. This expansion has the potential to enhance Tesla's market presence and drive demand for its AI-driven services, which could stabilize sales and boost investor confidence, ultimately supporting the stock price in the near term. However, Tesla's share price has recently seen notable declines, falling about 29% this year amid a broader drop in sales of over 10%, particularly in Europe, where competition is intensifying, especially from Chinese companies. Despite these challenges, analysts have maintained positive ratings on Tesla, reflecting expectations of recovery as the company continues to innovate. Furthermore, Elon Musk's wealth has been primarily buoyed by the soaring valuation of SpaceX, which recently hit $400 billion. This increase underscores Musk's overall market influence, while also highlighting the interconnected nature of his ventures. As Tesla's fortunes fluctuate, the value of his holdings plays a crucial role in shaping market perception. In the longer term, Tesla's transition to a more AI-focused strategy, along with its ongoing developments in robotics and energy solutions, may position the company for sustained growth. provided it can navigate regulatory hurdles and effectively counteract competition. This evolving business model could ultimately strengthen investor sentiment and recalibrate the stock's valuation upward as innovation takes center stage. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, it was noted that William Blair rated Tesla as market perform with a downgrade suggestion. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, Benchmark gave Tesla a buy rating accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, UBS rated Tesla with a sell and a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight rating with a downgrade suggestion. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Tesla stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $325.43. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $304.13. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 14.61%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may intrigue you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 31 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 104 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages highlighted a buy signal 10 days ago. In examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell 5 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla is currently supported by accumulated volume at $295.14. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we may see an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements and benefits from a healthy trading volume, which categorizes its risk as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $10.46, representing a change of 3.48%. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 2.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.4. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $295.14. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 10,593 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, reflected in a ratio of negative 50.452. In total, insiders acquired 1,011,482 shares and disposed of 3,136,577 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several concerning indicators, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of July, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by $3.10, starting at a price of $306.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.